Welcome and thanks for joining us at EMI.com. I'm Chris Dignam with your hedge fund headlines. Today is Friday, May 15th, 2009. Ohio bank KeyCorp is shutting down its safe harbor fund and returning clients' money. According to Bloomberg, KeyCorp is liquidating its hedge fund firm Austin Capital Management after its investors lost about $186 million. According to KeyCorp, 3 lawsuits seeking class actions and 1 arbitration proceeding were filed against Austin in the first quarter. Staying with hedge fund news, the UK's Electra Private Equity is planning to infuse more cash into its companies rather than making any new investments. According to the Wall Street Journal, the move comes after the firm posted a 16% fall in the value of its investment portfolio. Electra has a surplus of £300 million for deals and is in talks to extend the term on its £250 million banking facility, of which £45 million remains undrawn. And in more hedge fund news, private equity firm Candover Investments has bidders interested in acquiring the entire firm or a minority stake. According to the Financial Times, potential bidders include Francis Eurazio and secondary investors including Collar Capital, Paul Capital, and Goldman Sachs. Candover chairman Jerry Grimstone has apologized for his decisions, particularly the €1 billion it pledged last August to the group's new €3 billion buyout fund. And in other hedge fund news, Korea Development Bank is planning to launch a private equity fund. According to the Financial Times, the fund will acquire the non-core assets of South Korean troubled conglomerates as part of a new scheme to increase corporate restructuring in Korea. The initial size of the private equity fund to be set up by June will be around $805 million. The state-run bank is planning to raise the size of the fund with contributions from foreign investors and domestic institutional investors, including the National Pension Service. And that rounds out today's hedge fund headlines. Thanks for joining us on EMI.com. For more details on these stories and much more, click onto our hedge fund channel online and read the full stories and latest developments.